Hi there, future leaders. Welcome to Project Vitamins, our young and fresh channel for education, insights, tips. Today we are diving into an exciting and essential topic for anyone looking to make a mark in their career. Change management within project management. Whether you're working on a large strategic project or just starting your career, mastering change management can set you apart and propel your career forward. Let's explore why this skill is so important, the tools you will need, and how to develop the necessary skills and competencies. Change management involves preparing, supporting, and helping individuals, teams, and organizations navigate change smoothly and effectively. It's essential for ensuring the success of large-scale projects and strategic initiatives. By managing change well, you can minimize resistance, ensure smooth transitions, and sustain the benefits over time. One of the biggest challenges in change management is dealing with resistance. People naturally resist to change, and managing this resistance requires a specific set of skills and strategies. Preparing for change involves understanding the change itself and conducting a thorough stakeholder analysis to gauge the impact and tailor your approach. Communication and training are the heart of effective change management. A well-structured communication plan ensures that you convey the vision, the benefits, and impacts of the change clearly. Tailoring messages to different stakeholder groups based on their specific needs is essential. Additionally, a comprehensive training plan prepares everyone involved, offering detailed sessions for key users and general information for broader audiences. Keeping stakeholders engaged throughout the change process is crucial. Organize events like kick-off event, lunch and learn sessions, and other motivational activities to maintain momentum. Equally important is a reinforcement plan to ensure that changes stick. This involves regular monitoring and reviews to prevent old habits from reassuring and to reinforce new practices. Sustaining change requires continuous monitoring and improvement. Regular evaluations and surveys can provide valuable feedback on how well the change is being implemented and where adjustments may be needed. Engaging stakeholders regularly ensures that the change becomes an integral part of the organizational culture. Key skills for change managers include strong people skills and communication abilities. Understanding how people respond to change and managing those responses effectively is crucial. Building strong relationships and engaging empathetically with stakeholders can help you manage resistance and foster a supportive environment. Psychological understanding is essential for guiding individuals through the emotional stages of change. Recognizing these aspects can help you support them from initial resistance to eventual acceptance. Additionally, project management skills are critical to plan, to schedule, and budget effectively, ensuring that changes are implemented smoothly. Let's explore some essential tools and techniques for effective change management. Stakeholder analysis helps you to identify and assess the impact on stakeholders, allowing you to develop strategies to manage their concerns. A well-defined communication plan outlines key messages, channels, and frequency to keep everyone informed and engaged. Training plans should cater to the specific needs of different stakeholders, using various formats like classroom training, online resources, and train the trainer sessions. A reinforcement plan is equally important, ensuring adherence to new processes through regular monitoring and reviews. Organizing events and activities can help stakeholders engaged and informed throughout the change process. Frameworks like Beckhard and Harris change equation and Kotter's 8-step change model offer structured approaches to building urgency, creating momentum, and guiding people through change. These tools are valuable tools for understanding and managing the emotional and psychological stages of change. We go first deeper before we can go up. These models help support and sustain change by focusing on awareness, desire, knowledge, ability, and reinforcement. Combining project management and change management creates a unified approach that addresses both the technical and the human aspects for change. This holistic strategy facilitates smoother transitions and more sustainable outcomes, ensuring that changes are effectively integrated into the organization. Project managers focusing on technical and procedural aspects of achieving project goals, while change managers concentrate on the people and cultural aspects, ensuring changes are adapted and sustained. Collaboration between these roles ensures that projects not only meet their objectives but also deliver long-term benefits. Let's consider a real-world example. Imagine you are change manager overseeing a major digital transformation, including IT upgrades, software development, and employee training. You might face challenges like resistance to change, conflicting priorities, or resource constraints. By leveraging skills such as building influence, strategic thinking, and effective communication, you can navigate these challenges and drive successful change. Effective change management ensures that changes are aligned with strategic goals. Resistance is minimized and the benefits of the change are realized. This holistic approach provides value by ensuring the change process is smooth and the organization achieves its desired outcomes. So, how can Project Vitamins, our young and fresh channel, help you develop these skills? Our channel is dedicated to providing you with the essential vitamins, let's call it tools, skills, methods, tips, insights, to strengthen your change and project management capabilities. We offer webinars, tutorials, practical guides, and best practices from industry experts to help you navigate and manage change effectively. Mastering the role of a change management requires a combination of strategic vision, strong interpersonal skills, and the ability to manage complexity. With the right tools and insights, you can excel in this role and make a significant impact on your organization's journey, on your organization's success. In our next video, we will explore a little bit deeper practical tools and skills sets for change management in project management. We will discuss the significance of these skills and techniques in modern business and explain why they are increasingly in demand. Don't miss it. Please click subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our practical insights. I'm looking forward to helping you master these critical management roles in the world of project, program management and change management. Thank you for watching, and remember, stay equipped, stay informed, and keep growing with Project Vitamins. See you in the next video. Bye bye.